Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to go over this service and how we went from a UR and DR of 5 and 0.3 to, over the course of 4 weeks, to a 31 and 31 across both metrics, as well as a bunch of new referring domains, organic keyword rankings, and organic traffic. So without further ado, let's get into it. So as I said, this is the service. It's from Tony. He's a great guy, a great SEO professional as well. We can go here to his profile. He sells a bunch of different SEO, premium actually SEO services, which you can take a look after this video if you want. But right now, let's just focus on the domain power booster, which was what we got. And so, as I was saying, this was a 4-week process. So this was at the beginning. So 4 weeks ago, this was how Vetted was looking. And actually, Tony did this service for Vetted itself to power up Vetted's domain. And so this was the beginning. Tony reached out to me and told me that our domain was a bit weak, which to be fair, it was, because our focus right now isn't too much on powering up the domain. It's solely to onboard freelancers to the platform. But again, it's always great to have someone to help us out and to focus here on the building up the trust of the Vetted domain, because we want Vetted to rank for several keywords. So it's always great to have someone help us out with doing this. So as I was saying, this was at the beginning. So 4 weeks ago, as you can see, the UR was 5, the DR was 0.3. We had 20 backlinks, which again is nothing, 10 referring domains, and 12 organic keyword rankings. Then in week 1, here's what we got. So newer backlinks, the UR increased, a bunch new referring domains. Then week 2 keeps on increasing. Then week 3. And then week 4, which is where we're at right now. And I'm going to go over here to Ahrefs to actually click on things and see some of the links he built. But before we do that, let me first tell you why would you want to do this? So why would you want to purchase this service from Tony and boost up your metrics? So most likely, if you're watching this video, you do SEO and you understand the power of links, of backlinks, referring domains, and both of these metrics. So URL rating, and DR, domain rating. So UR is the URL rating according to Ahrefs, and DR is the domain rating according to Ahrefs. Of course, these will be the same because we're targeting the root domain. So of course, these will be the same because in this case, the URL is the same as the domain. Now, having an authoritative site is a must if you want to rank for keywords. As you can see here, we're ranking organically for 39 keywords, whilst in the past, at the beginning of this, we were ranking for only 12. And again, keep in mind, this is just over the course of 4 weeks. This, of course, will keep on improving. But the true power of Tony's service and what he does is the links he and his team build. And he has here all the process. You can take a look at it on exactly what he does. Everything is manual. He provides before and after reports. Again, you can read through all this as you wish. Of course, he offers several packages. It's more expensive if you're in a rush and want him to do it in 1 week. But if you don't mind waiting, he'll do it in 4 weeks' time, just as he did with Vetted right here. But going back to my question, what's the real value of this? Why would you want to pay Tony to do this for you? And again, it boils down to all this right here. So having an authoritative domain will make it so Google and other search engines view your site as an authority, thus ranking it higher for certain keywords. Let's go over here, for example, some of the referring domains. Actually, some of the backlinks this service from Tony got us. And let's order them by DR. And as we can see here, we have a DR94 link, do follow link from a .org domain linking to Vetted. This, as you can see here, if we scroll down here and we do inspect element, we can see, in fact, it is a do follow link. Now, this is just one of the links he built. And again, this is all manually done. We can see here we have a link from BuzzFeed as well. Let's just check this one out. This should be a profile link. Again, it links to Vetted right here. So what he went ahead and did was build all of these powerful domains, one from Trello, Rebrand, About Me. So all these backlinks were built to Vetted and helped it reach the numbers you see here. And this will keep on improving. Of course, you see a spike right here because it was when we started doing this. Just 4 weeks ago was when we started doing this. So as you can see, it does work. Our keyword rankings increased, our organic traffic increased, the referring domains increased, the backlinks increased, and of course, the metrics Ahrefs measures increased as well. And also our Ahrefs rank increased as well, and the AR, which stands for Ahrefs rank, shows the strength of a target website's backlink profile compared to others in their database, with rank number 1 being the strongest. So we went from being a site with an Ahrefs rank of 86 million to a 3 million. Still quite far away from number 1, but as you can see, that was a big improvement. We can see here Tony also built us a couple of goblinks. Let's see here, for curiosity, what he built for us. We can also check, let's do this. Let's go here, and this should be a profile link, this one as well. Let's just check for ourselves. Yep, a profile link. This time he used a long tail version of our keywords, and here again a long tail version of the keywords. Our goal here is to use branded keywords most of the time because we are trying to build trust for the brand. That's the main goal. So brand keywords, long tail versions, or naked URL keywords or anchors, sorry, it's the goal with this. And that's basically it. I just wanted to come on here and review Tony's services because they work. Tony is a great professional. He really knows what he's doing. He's been in the industry for years now. So I knew right from the start that I could trust Vetted's website with Tony. So I hope you can do the same as well and trust any of his services. Again, he has a bunch more, but we're just now looking at the domain power booster, which is this one right here. If you go to his profile, or you can go to the homepage as well, and his service should be somewhere around here. As we can see, it's right here. So it's this one right here. Now, before I end this video, I want to make sure you know about the giveaway we're running. So if you don't know, we're running a giveaway for Vetted. So it's this video right here. So anything you purchase from Vetted from now until the 30th of July, you'll be entered to win a $500 giveaway of niche edits. So anything you buy from Vetted from today, actually since last week until the 30th, so anything you buy until the 30th of July, today is the 12th, so anything you buy, you'll be automatically entered to win $500 in niche edits from Omer. He's a great guy. His niche edits are super powerful. You can check them here. They all have DR above 40. Referring domains are always super high. And of course, real traffic from real people going to these sites. He actually goes out and does these all manually. So again, if you want to win the $500, all you have to do is buy any service from Vetted. It could even be Tony's one. So if you buy Tony's one, if you buy the domain power booster, which was the one I just showed right here that it works. So we went from this to this in just 4 weeks, which is amazing work from Tony. If you buy this, you're automatically entered to win the $500 giveaway. So the steps are super simple. So you just place an order on Vetted, and then on the requirements page, because you'll need to submit the requirements, you just write, I want to win the $500 giveaway, and we'll know that you are entered to win the giveaway. And on the 30th of July, so at the end of this month, I'll do a live stream and pick the winner. So just to recap, Tony's service does work. As you can see right here, it did work. And if you want to grab it, you'll be automatically entered to win a $500 giveaway. And the more services you buy, the price doesn't really matter. The more services you buy, the more entries you get. So if you buy, for example, this $40 service alongside Tony's domain power booster, you'll get 2 entries. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, give a huge shout out to Tony for doing this for us and for boosting up Vetted's domain. Again, I can't recommend him enough. He's a great guy. He really knows what he's doing. So here's his service. I'll also leave a link for the service in the description. If you want to have a go at it, please go ahead because it does work. Again, we went from this 4 weeks ago to this right here. So as you can see, everything improved. So again, it does work. Thank you so much, and I'll see you tomorrow with a new video. Cheers.